So here I'm discussing about that how to purchase hosting. Any website, we have the top websites are there. First of all, any purchase hosting, first of all, which website providing for best packages. First one is GoDaddy is there. Second one, the website is called Miles Web. Why? Because Google launching for new rule. Every website required for HTTPS, nothing but SSL will be required. That is called every website will be secured. Without secure, they can stamp for the website will be not secured. Now here, these are plans. These are hosting plans. Business hosting will be cloud, unlimited hosting. Now just when coming to any website, they go into the chat box will be open. Just close here. Now see this one. Business hosting in cloud, unlimited hosting, basic sharing hosting, Windows shared hosting, domains, Office 365. Next one, reseller hosting, unlimited, cheap, unlimited Windows reseller, HMC. Next will be WordPress hosting, servers, cloud, and security. These are the packages. We always select for the basic package will be enough. That is called go to reseller, click for cheap Linux reseller. Linux support for up to PHP, .NET, PHP, HTML, Drupal, etc. Windows for .NET. You can select for Windows hosting. That is called .NET website. You can select for Windows website. Here Linux and Unix reseller. You can support for HTML website, PHP, Drupal, WordPress, AngularJS, Joomla. These are support for Linux hosting. Please write down Windows hosting for .NET website purpose. Windows hosting is purpose of .NET related website. Linux reseller hosting will be HTML, WordPress, PHP, Joomla, etc. These are two different packages. Now here, just come to package. Package will be, you can go select by India, US, UK. They can provide 3 countries. India, US, UK. I'm select for India. See a package. How much per month? 348 rupees per month. See the package. Host domain, unlimited. Disk space, 100 GB. Bandwidth, unlimited. Unlimited SSL secured. cPanel with the WHM. Soft coolers. Soft cooler purpose of Joomla, WordPress, Drupal website purpose. One kind of themes provided. It's called soft coolers. Domain reseller account, MySQL database, email accounts. These are your packages. Per month, how much charge? 348. If you're checking for, you can purchase for 1 month or you can set by complete 1 year also. If you purchase for 3 years, how much per month? 348. If you purchase for 1 month, how much per month? 520. The difference. If you go more years, price will be deducted. If you go 1 year, the price will be common. 520 rupees per month. 650 they give discount for 520. So any offers will provide here. See this one. Discount coupon up to 20%. Or the code? Boss. Is the code. Clear? Just click for buy now. Using the promo code, you can purchase your hosting. We are using for Miles Web. Miles Web, the main reason for this is called unlimited SSL certification. Nothing but if you go to the flipkart.com, see the screen. When you go to the flipkart.com, what's showing here? Secure. The secure means SSL certification. They provide for unlimited. One SSL certification required for 15,000 per year. They're providing for, just I'm looking for no thanks here. What showing for? unlimited free services. So we can select by this hosting. Now, if you go to the GoDaddy, I'm selected by hosting, see, web hosting, business hosting, WordPress hosting, pro hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated servers. Dedicated servers nothing but your cloud hostings. Reseller, you go to the VPS hosting. Now here, just I'm clicking for web hosting. See the packages. If you go to the normal package, you can go to the GoDaddy. Special package, you go to the best website, MilesWeb, HostGator, and iPage. See the packages. These are common packages. One website, 30 GB, unlimited bandwidth. Based on the users, they increase your RAM. This will be 100 GB, free business email 1 year, free domain with the annual plan. How much charge? 19 rupees per month. You can select by basic plan, select by the future plan. Your website will be e-commerce or static or dynamic. Right now, Google launching for roll call. Every website required for SSL certification. So we can go with this website. Is it clear? This is called requirement. You can purchase your hosting. Purchase hosting, they give you the two details. Please write down. After purchasing hosting, they give you the two details. One is called WHM details, web hosting manager, WHM, web hosting manager, web hosting manager, WHM, web hosting manager. Second thing, cPanel. Second one, cPanel. They provide for two details, login ID and password. Write down first heading, WHM, web hosting manager. Create business cPanel purpose. Create business cPanel purpose. Write down bracket, our website cPanel. Our website cPanel. Next one, cPanel heading. cPanel is called cPanel. Is called store your data, create emails, create SQL database, create FTP accounts, and file scanning, and updating purpose. Files updating purpose. This is called hosting. When you purchase time, they give you the two details. One is called WHM, second will be cPanel.